Hello, I'm going to show you how to check for the privacy policy on your Calkia app. The first thing, you just click on the app, then you click on more, you scroll down, yes, here it is, privacy policy, then yes, you scroll down, these are the policy here, agreement to terms, intellectual property, user representations, user registration, marketplace offerings, purchases and payments, return policy, prohibited activities, user-generated contributions, contribution license, guidelines for reviews, mobile application license, social media, submissions, third-party website and content, site management, privacy policy, copyright infringement, term and termination, modifications and interruptions, governing law, dispute resolution, corrections, disclaimer, limitations of liability, indemnification, user data, electronic communications, transactions, and signatures, miscellaneous, and the last one is contact us. Yes, these are the privacy policy on Calkia app. If you want to know more about the privacy policy, just scroll down. Yes, you'll see more about them. Yes, user registration, marketplace offerings. Yes,
And so many.
you'll see them all there. So if you want to contact Calkia to solve a complaint regarding the site or the marketplace offerings, or to receive further information regarding the site, you can send message through help@calkia.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell to notify you of our new videos.